Hi everyone, welcome back to Magnificalcorecraft YouTube channel. Here again we are working on another bag. You can see the bag here. We are using cream and brown. We have a kind of coffee brown here. Now you can see the handle of the bag we are making is a wooden handle. Already we've attached the rope. We have extensive tutorial on how to attach your rope to a wooden handle. We have done that, and you can see the crown that we use for this bag is different from the ones we've been using previously. We have a tutorial on this also. We have joined the crown and the bag with alternating square knot, and now we are making our crocodile pattern. You can see the pattern. The pattern we are working on is called crocodile pattern. So the way we're going to do it, we'll be needing 4 ropes. You'll be using 2 of the 4 ropes. Now let me show you how to go about what I'm saying. Now we have 4 ropes here. The coffee brown. We have our 4 ropes here. From these 4 ropes like this, I'm going to leave this 2 out because I'm going to use it for the next one here. But I'm picking this to start our pattern. So what we do is this. You're going to take it this way and you roll it around. I'm doing it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th one. I've done it 10 times now. You can see it. So here is a sample of the one we've done already. You have it this way. You can see it. We have it 10. I told us previously that we have 4 ropes. We are going to be picking 2. If you look at what we have here, I have 4 ropes. I've used 2 for my pattern here. 2. We left out 2 this way. And also I have used here, I left this one out. So we can see here that we have made the crocodile pattern here. The 2 that we left out of here, we are going to now join it. So you pick this way. You are going to make a square knot just to secure. You make your square knot. You pull it. You make your square knot. So you can see what we have here. We have this pattern already. We come to the next one. We are going to pick the 2 that is here. We hold it the same way. We tie a square knot. It will be twisting. You have to pull it well to get the shape you want. You make another square knot. So it's a unique pattern, so you have to pull very tightly to get the pattern. You can see what we are having here. We are getting our pattern. We come to the next one. Pull it this way. We have the 2 here. If you pull it, you make your square knot. So you can see what we've done now. You can see our pattern now. We are forming the pattern. Now to continue, we want to make the cream now to overlap so that we can have our pattern. What you're going to do, you have 8 ropes, just like the previous ones. You have 8 ropes. Out of the 8 ropes, you are going to pick the 2 on your left hand side. So for the next pattern, we want to get this one here. That's the cream coming out. So we're going to need 8 ropes in all. You have 4 on your right, 4 on your left. On the one on your right hand, you pick the closest 2 to you here, and then the closest ones here, that is the two on your right and the first two on your left. So I'm going to walk again, make our pattern with the two here. You make it again. We'll go 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you are done with that, you're going to pick the two I said here earlier. You make your square knot again. You can see it overlapping. This is our pattern already forming, so we can see what we're talking about. So this is what we call the crocodile pattern. This is how you'll be alternating it. You'll be picking two from this side, join the other one like that. You'll be going. It's a very unique, beautiful pattern. So this is what we are working on for now. Thank you so much for your time.